Now that your first responder has arrived, we will locate any affected areas and assess any safety concerns. Whether it's tile, carpet, hardwood, cabinetry, walls, or ceilings, we dry it all. Our specialized crews are prepared to begin as soon as possible to prevent any further damage. It is important to start this process right away. Every minute you wait, water will continue to spread. This will also prevent mold growth along with the potential health concerns that it brings. If you decide to file a claim, we will work directly with you and your insurance company every step of the way. If you're not filing a claim, your first responder will provide you with an upfront estimate at no charge, along with our payment options. Once our crews begin, we will protect your property from further damages. Then extract excess water, install drying and dehumidification equipment to quickly restore your property and get you back to your everyday life. During this process, please do not hesitate to reach out with any questions, anytime, any day. Thank you for choosing CTR.